Rahul Gandhi is in Kota tonight, 4 days before the NEET retest, launching Chatton Ki Gunj, Congress's nationwide student agitation. The CJP movement has already proved that India's youth will hit the streets. Now, Congress wants to lead that anger. But with the India bloc fracturing, TMC imploding in Bengal, and the DMK split widening in Tamil Nadu, can a party in crisis front a credible national movement? BJP says it's a political drama timed to distract students. Congress says it's the only opposition fighting for them. We break down the politics, the timing, and what this rally really means for India's youth and for Rahul Gandhi. India's coaching capital becomes Congress's political launchpad tonight. Rahul Gandhi is in Kota 4 days before the NEET retest, firing the starting gun on Chatton Ki Gunj. The question isn't whether students are angry, they already are. The question is, can a fractured Congress actually lead that anger?
This meeting is not a political meeting. It is about discussing India's education system, what is wrong with India's education system, what needs to be corrected in India's education system.
Kota, June 17. Dasra Maidan packed with students, aspirants, droppers, and exam-wary youth. No conventional rally, just Rahul Gandhi walking through the crowd in a specially built corridor. The optics were deliberate. The message was simple: I am here to listen. But Rahul Gandhi isn't walking into a vacuum. He's walking into a wave already in motion. Over the past month, the Cockroach Janata Party, a Gen Z satirical movement born after the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court called unemployed youth cockroaches, drew thousands onto the streets of Delhi, Bangalore, and Hyderabad. That anger is real, organic, and looking for a political address. Chatton Ki Gunj could be Congress's bid to become that address. The timing couldn't be sharper. NEET UG 2026 cancelled after a confirmed paper leak. CBI has made 13 arrests. Retest on June 21st, 4 days away. The BJP wasn't staying quiet either. BJP MP Sudhanshu Trivedi put it bluntly in the last 72 hours before the exam.
मैं उनसे पूछना चाहता हूं कि ये परीक्षा से पूर्व के आखिरी 72 घंटे, जिस समय कोई भी परीक्षार्थी पूरे एकाग्र चित्तता के साथ मानसिक दृष्टि से तनाव मुक्त होकर अंतिम चरण की तैयारी करना चाहता है, उस समय आप इस प्रकार का आयोजन करके छात्रों की एकाग्रता को भंग करके उनके मन में भय, तनाव और उत्तेजना उत्पन्न करके उन्हें मानसिक यातना क्यों देना चाह रहे हैं? राहुल गांधी जी, राजनीति करने के बहुत अवसर मिलेंगे। 21 के बाद भी राजनीति हो सकती है।
Why is the LOP mentally torturing students instead of letting them prepare? But there's a problem Congress doesn't want discussed tonight. The party launching the student movement is itself cracking. In Bengal, barely weeks after the TMC lost a state election, at least 20 rebel MPs defected to the BJP-led NDA, gutting one of India bloc's most powerful pillars. In Tamil Nadu, after the DMK's defeat, Congress broke a 2-decade alliance with the party, prompting MK Stalin to pull out of the India bloc meeting altogether. A movement demanding unity led by a party that is not in its best state. There's another layer to read here. When the CJP filled streets in Delhi, Bangalore, and Hyderabad with no party backing or political machinery, the Congress was watching. Rahul Gandhi would have seen what raw student anger looked like when it had nowhere to go. Chatton Ki Gunj may well be Congress's attempt to catch that wave before someone else does. But there's a harder truth sitting underneath this rally. The BJP has now won Bengal, a state Congress thought it never could. The India bloc is fragmenting faster than anyone anticipated. For a party staring at shrinking opposition real estate, a nationwide movement isn't just good politics. It may be a lifeline. Kota tonight could be less about students and more about whether Congress can still matter. From Kota, the campaign travels to Allahabad, Patna, Delhi. The roadmap is ambitious. The political context is complicated. The CJP proved that India's students will come out. Rahul Gandhi is betting tonight that they'll come out for him. Whether Chatton Ki Gunj builds into a genuine movement or becomes a rally that ends when the retest begins, that answer is still 4 days away.